So hi everybody, it's a new day. It is 10:56 in the morning and we have a delivery coming today. Y'all, I never finished my garage. That's why y'all never got another video. But this is getting replaced. It has stopped working and I didn't feel like calling to get it. Don't mind the dirtiness. I didn't feel like calling to get it, repaired. So I just went ahead and bought a new one because I'm gonna pay like $300 and something to get it repaired and pay $800 to just get a brand new one delivered and put a warranty and all that stuff on. PX, y'all. PX, that's my 30 clothes because this has been broke for like 2 weeks and I haven't got to wash clothes in 2 weeks. So yeah, that's been fun. See, this is still sitting here. So let me open the garage and wait for them.
Are you serious? My clothes are out.
So we got pie pies today. And Shami just need to fix her shoes. Take her shoes to her room that don't go on there. But yeah, we don't really have long because they said they was like 10-15 minutes away, but we'll see. Lowe's is here. Lowe's is here. Let's go. Y'all don't talk about my house, okay? Because I ain't cleaned. And it look crazy up in here. I gotta go all the way to the garage. Like I said, don't talk about my garage, y'all. So, thank you. Oh, hi. Thank you. Ooh, Jesus, he's staring. I like all those. I wouldn't have paid the $40 if I would have known. I could have paid somebody else.
No, all you can see is just the box.
Get it? Just take it.
Whoa. You're almost made me show his face.
Customer service?
Why stop?
Appliance? Go ahead, stop.
So now we got this is the after. This is our new washing machine. They said for this one they can't get the pedestal off. They don't have the right equipment, so yeah.
So y'all not gonna believe this. So after they didn't bring their tools to do this, I got my money back. I called the delivery people and they said they were supposed to bring their tools to do it. So they gave me my $40 back. But the thing is leaking. I don't know if that's a normal thing or not. But it's like water. I don't know if y'all can see. It's not a lot of water, but it's water on the floor. I don't know how far. Oh, it go back. So yeah, so now I'm waiting for customer service to call me back. If I can tell them that it's leaking, and I called the two men because you know how they call you before they come. Excuse me, I called them. They didn't answer the phone because they still had other deliveries, so I don't know if they're gonna call me back or not, but somebody gonna call me back and somebody gonna come fix this. But that's how my day is going so far. But y'all, I'm gonna try not to complain because things could be worse. A leak can be fixed. If they gotta give me another washing machine, they can give me another washing machine. maybe then somebody will come with the tools and do what they're supposed to do. But other than that, just finished my pie pies. And then I went to go check. Hopefully y'all saw that. And then I went to go check on the washing machine because you know how they do like a pre-wash. So I went to go do that. Sorry. I went to go do that, and then I saw it was water. Like, I saw splashes of water on the dryer pedestal, and then I saw like a little puddle of water, and I was like, why is there water? So I know that it's leaking. Something is leaking. Something's not tight enough. Something, you know. Just thank God that it can be fixed. It just got delivered. But is it frustrating? Yes, but it's not everything. I just got to remember that. I get so in my feelings and so irritated about stuff, and I need to work on that. Praying about it. I just need to put it in works. I just need to learn in the process of not in it, not right after I react, be like, oh. But I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. I'm trying not to let it bother me. Trying to let it go. They said somebody would call in 9 to 14 minutes, so just gonna wait my 9 to 14 minutes and I'll tell y'all what happened.
For patiently waiting. So in regards to this, it seems like there was a hookup issue. And so what I can do is I can go ahead and send this over to our fulfillment center. And our process is they'll reach out back out with you within 24 hours so that they can schedule somebody to come out there and look and see what's going on with why it's leaking.
Okay, so I can't wash clothes?
So I do apologize. I can go ahead and see if by chance I can contact the drivers that dropped it off to see if they're able to come back through. But if not, then the process would be the 24 hours.
Okay.
So just bear with me one moment. Let me see if I can get in contact with them, and then I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so very much.
Okay, y'all. She said that she couldn't get a hold of the driver, so she just went ahead and contacted the company for they would call me within 24 hours to have somebody come out and see what's going on with it. Yeah, I still haven't put this stuff away. Like I said, my apartment dirty right now, y'all. It's a hot mess. I don't even live like this. But I'm living like this today. Oh, the door. So, yeah, it's disappointing, but it's going to be resolved. So I guess I can't trip, right? I can't trip. But I'm just about to wash dishes. And I was going to put this stuff up in the garage. You know, open that shelf thing. You know, that 5-tier shelf, and put all this stuff on there. I feel like it right now. I know. I'm in a lazy spirit, and I'm going to have to shake it off. But y'all have a good day. If I come back on, I'm just redoing. We're putting all this stuff up. I didn't put a lot of it up. I got Flash's bed over there. I don't like it, so I gotta move it somewhere else. I hope y'all saw it.
5 hours later.
So Shmisha's gonna build this shelf thing where we can put this stuff on. We just brought it in here. You want me to read the instructions?
No.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling. cold. Baby, more. I don't know why you love.
So this is how it came out. We just threw some stuff on there. So yeah, and Flash is extra bad because all foods can go right there. I'm gonna move that. Probably buy a broom holder and put it over here. And I'm gonna buy another black one. Scoot the white one down, buy another black one, and do it like that. I should put all the detergents on this shelf right now. So yeah, y'all can watch me do that. Yeah, y'all saw me struggle. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna buy another black one and put the rest of the detergent right here. But then I got a whole bunch of soap, lotion, deodorants from couponing. That's why I want another shelf. I might put like all the coupon stuff on the white shelf. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. And more cleaning supplies and stuff on the other black shelf. And I gotta screw this into the wall. I mean, it has things to screw. So hi everybody, I'm editing. Finally putting up a new video. Haven't did this in a long time. Trying to listen to TD Jakes. And about to cook. Got some salmon right there. So I'm trying to do 3 things at one time, but I actually miss editing and I've been trying to get back into it like all last week. But I filmed, but I didn't edit. So now I'm over here editing. So yay!
Just trying.
Okay, so finally we in Deontay's room and I'm gonna end the video here. We washing clothes. Oh, is that underwear?
Yeah, I'm one.
Y'all need to see his business. So this is his room. He picked the small room. I don't know why, but I mean, it's his choice. Because I would not give this to him. So I'm about to do the sheets and the comforter. Hopefully it matches their legs and their faces. I was thinking maybe. It's not going to match the pillows. But yeah, that's what we're about to do. And what you want to say?
Not.
He just want me out his room, y'all.
Like I'm ready to just go. There's son.
Okay, if it was that easy. Okay, see y'all in a whole second. I gotta take all this stuff down. Okay. Wait.
Just all types of colors going on.
Yeah. So
Brown, red, green, white, black.
we don't like this. I don't know if you want to get rid of those 2 pillowcases and then put the 2 brown pillowcases on there, or you want to keep those pillowcases.
See, like this, I'm not taking those off. Just them right back on. They're just gonna be. Like
You don't want to see if it looks better and make your whole room go together.
This brown doesn't even go with this.
You don't know. You
I'm
haven't
looking
even.
at it.
You haven't gave the whole thing a chance. You got them red pillows that I bought mixed in with this
Watch this.
this mustard.
Watch this magic trick real quick. Boom.
I think it looks better. It's more cohesive,
Consistent, you mean?
consistent, whatever you want to say. But I think that looks better. I don't think it would look as bad with the 2 brown pillowcases and the 2 white pillowcases. And it actually does. If you come back here, it does go. It's your curtains. Yeah, it's not bad at all, except for your curtains. It's not gonna be matchy unless you fix to buy a bed set that look like this. And you're not. So it's not bad. So take them colorful pillowcases off and then it will look really nice. It still go except for this.
It's
Them
blackout
curtains.
It's blackout curtains. It's doing its job. Black goes over everything. It's about to go over everything.
With some white curtains. Ah! With some white curtains. This would look nice. It would actually look really nice, but you would lose your blackout.
Yeah, no, not. No. The blackout stays non-negotiable.
Even though it don't match.
I can. What matching? What's matching? That's overrated.
But yeah.
We're
Okay, I'm gonna
tapping
switch
here.
the pillowcases. Y'all probably see it in the thumbnail. But yeah. Okay. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching. Toodles.